Expansion of ideas. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Once it was raining very heavily. It didn't seem that it would stop. There was no means of transport and I wondered how I would reach home. Then as if from nowhere, a classmate happened by in a car. He asked me to get in and reached me to my home. From that day onwards he became one of my best friends. Later on I was able to help him out in mathematics, a subject in which he was very weak. Indeed, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I have found that many people talk about friendship, but when you need them during the time of crisis, somehow they are not seen anywhere. Those who stand by you when you are really in trouble are your true friends. Isn't that what friends are for? To help each other in times of need? Life is all about being there for others. Life is all about caring and sharing. There are plenty of fair weather friends. They desert you in your time of need. True friends are steadfast. True friends are forever.